I saw this old table standing around that no one uses, which had definitely seen some better days, but it had also some potential. So I asked if I could have it, and here I am rebuilding it, using the same tool I've used for years, the Rotex 150. And I also used some tabletop lacquer that I found, which I'm pretty sure is just rebottled hardwood floor finish. So I know now what I use next time when this one is finished. While that was drying up a bit, I made a little $1 rack for the round slings laying around. The lacquer takes some time to dry up and about 5 days to fully cure. I applied 2 coats in total, and the first coat usually gets soaked in pretty quick as it's a very watery sealer as well. For the frame I've used some hammer-toned finish paint in a can. Not the highest quality stuff, but it's quick and actually worked pretty well. Usually I use 2 component paint from domestic suppliers. The lower MDF board got painted with grey wood paint in a can as well, just what I found laying around. The space for the welding area was cramped with some materials and also stuff from others, so I first had to move everything. The large concrete floor plates, which probably were prefabricated modules 50 years ago when this building was built, were shifted as you can see here, and these large expansion joints were filled with gooey asphalt. I need to be able to drive with lifting equipment on this area, so I have to at least even it out a bit and do something about the asphalt. concrete work I used epoxy filler, which is just epoxy resin mixed with sand to patch up uneven areas. I much rather use something not resin based, but that's what the supplier told me to use, otherwise nothing is guaranteed with the final floor coating. Here I am applying the first layer in epoxy primer and sprinkling in 0.3mm clean quartz sand while the primer is still wet, which makes the coating slip resistant. With the second epoxy sealer, I start at the opposite end from where I started the first layer, so I can achieve a more even coating, as I'm using a bit more material when the bucket is still full. So here it is, the finished floor. Looks great. In the next part I will paint walls, the ceiling and also the windows and install some brand new LED lights for the whole shop. So this area will get a real upgrade. An updated electrical installation, a curtain dividing up the yellow room and the welding area, a full pneumatic line system and an explosion-proof air extraction system, all do it yourself of course, is also in the works. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching and until next time.